Hi guys, this is Nick and I'd like to welcome you to our new home, CureMyself.com. I've been working extremely hard over the last month to get this website up and running as quick as possible to a stage where I can showcase it to you and we can register our accounts and we can start testing its functionality. Anton and I have been working in collaboration to take our small Telegram group to the next level and build a large online peer-to-peer health community. The reason we're moving over from Telegram to a website is because apps like Telegram and Discord work very well for small groups, but once more members start to join, the boards tend to get very cluttered and disorganized, and there's not an efficient way for them to store all of this information to where we can index and search this information. We're going to be able to basically scale up and create a large online community to where we can search, index, file, and store all of this information and all of this data in order to be able to link different conditions and different symptoms and basically accomplish the purpose that we have joined this group to accomplish, to not only be able to alleviate our symptoms, but also to ultimately find a cure. I and Anton both believe that we're building something very special that I think in the long term, we're not only going to be able to help ourselves figure stuff out about our condition, but ultimately be able to help thousands and hopefully one day millions of people around the world who are also struggling with different types of conditions, that they can benefit from having this type of a peer-to-peer community where they can share experiences, they can share different test results, they can work and collaborate together with people who are also suffering from the same exact condition that they are, and work together to be able to find ways to alleviate their symptoms and ultimately try and find a cure for what they're suffering from. The only thing I would ask you to do right now is click on the YouTube logo right below and get to our YouTube channel and subscribe. I will be posting a few tutorial videos over the next few days to basically show you how to navigate through the website. Once you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and up in the right-hand corner, sign up for your account on this website. It's pretty simple. We only just need basic information, email address, your name. For the type of account you have, just use patient for right now. All of the original people in our Telegram group are going to get a very specific type of an account, which is going to be a founding member, because I'm hoping that all of us will work together in collaboration. You guys are going to let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it, and we're going to be able to build something very, very special here.